So I've done that side, put it all together, done it up, done the cylinder. I had to take the bolts back off. Two reasons, nuts back off, two reasons. One, I had to shorten this stud because the cowling sits there, and the stub was sticking out, so I couldn't get the cowling mounting nut bolt on there, so I had to do that. And like a cock, I forgot the washers, so I took them off. I've torqued it back up and everything else, but you've seen me do that, so there was no point in recording it. I'll put this back on. I'm just going to measure it up now. But my digital battery's gone, so it's back to lift that gauge, put the chain back on, drop the cage back down. It's a bit of a pain. There's a couple of bearings that run to hold the cage. I haven't got the tool to hold it, so what I have got somewhere, I'll have to use this. See, there's two of those. One sits inside the other. You have to try and loosen it up. I've got the old chain tensioner on the first day, and I've tensioned the chain up, and get the nut back on. Do that. Right. I'll stick them up for now. some intolerance. I think that's going to be intolerance, but I'm going to have to get a battery for me Vern. And if it is, I'll stick this all up back together and get everything working. I've got a new kickstart shaft, everything, and then I can try and concentrate on the H1. But that's it for now. As soon as I do some more, I'll do some more. So be lucky and ride safe.